1. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, $5,995, Tucson, Arizona. This Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $5,995, is a rare find from 1957. It boasts a 312 cubic inch V8 mated to a smooth automatic transmission. The body is straight with full moldings, painted in classic blue, though there are some rust spots visible. The interior is in good shape and the car was recently running and driving. With a clean title and rear-wheel drive, it offers authentic cruising appeal. The odometer has rolled over, showing 100,000 miles. Overall, this is a solid project or restoration candidate with exciting patina. 2. 1958 Studebaker Golden Hawk, $8,000, Bellingham, Washington, for $8,000 in Bellingham. This one of 878 Golden Hawk presents a unique Studebaker muscle experience. It holds the original engine, supercharger included but currently removed, paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and twin traction rear end. The body is number 371 of 878, painted strawberry red over the original copper beige. After 33 years in storage since 1992, it needs recommissioning but offers immense character and collectability. Three 1965 mg midget, $8,250, Scottsdale, Arizona. This rare, original paint MG midget is listed at $8,250. With just 10,000 displayed miles on the odometer and a manual transmission, the little British roadster is mechanically refreshed, new tires, full electrical and lighting work, and a rebuilt drivetrain. It includes side windows, frame, and a box of spare parts. It needs a new soft top, making it a great value to return this charming classic to touring status. For 1968 Chevrolet Bel Air, $7,200, Dallas, Texas, at $7,200, this four-door Bel Air blends comfortable family cruising with vintage style. Equipped with a 307 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and air conditioning, it has new brakes and a new battery. Always stored indoors and painted white, it shows about 110,000 miles. A clean title and rear-wheel drive configuration maintain its classic appeal with everyday usability. 5. 1964 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, $8,900, Molalla, Oregon, priced at $8,900, this dark metallic blue Karmann Ghia is a solid restoration project. It features a rebuilt engine from 20 years ago, swapped for a 12-volt transaxle, and is equipped with new tires and BRM wheels. The car needs work on the blinkers and some minor brake tuning. Rust bubbles and paint imperfections are present, but groundwork like glass seals, fuel lines, and underbody rust prevention has been addressed. Clear title and manual transmission make it a charming candidate for completion as a classic coupe. Six, 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe, $5,300, Temple, Texas. This Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe is offered at $5,300. Quantity produced was around 21,000, and this one now houses a 302 V8 instead of the original 289. It comes complete with trim, original center console, and intact rails and cowl. However, it has rust in the driver floorboard and quarter panels, needs a new carburetor, and brakes are inoperative. The automatic transmission rolls over the odometer and the clean Texas title is ready, ideal for a serious restoration. '7, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, $6,500, North Las Vegas, Nevada, for $6,500. This black Camaro coupe has a fully refreshed engine bay, featuring a lightly used 350 small block, new wiring, and hoses. The engine was installed but the car has sat for over 8 years, needing only a fresh battery. Clean title and rear-wheel drive frame a solid foundation for a revived late 70s Camaros with modern upgrades. '8, 1973 Ford LTD, $6,000, Chicago, Illinois. This full-size sedan is listed at $6,000 and shows merely 38,000 original miles. Its 351 cubic inch Cleveland V8 has been maintained meticulously with a full tune-up, rebuilt carburetor, new alternator, and replaced belts and hoses. The transmission has been serviced, and despite some rust and seat wear, it starts, runs, and drives well. A clean title and classically preserved condition make it perfect for collectors who value originality. '9, 1975 Chevy Camaro, $8,500, Aurora, Oregon. This Chevrolet Camaro coupe is priced at $8,500. Fitted with a brand new 350 V8 and turbo glide transmission, it is set up for drag strip performance but remains street legal. With only 26,000 miles, it includes delivery and is fully running with clean title, ideal for racers seeking a powerful vintage platform. '10, 1972 Buick Skylark Custom, $13,000, Pacifica, California, asking $13,000. This Buick Skylark Custom is an excellent original example with only 37,145 miles. Stock 350 V8 with 4-barrel intake, TH350 automatic transmission, factory Frigidaire air conditioning, and complete emissions equipment. The interior is as found original, with the full jack and spare intact. A garage-kept grocery getter from Santa Rosa, it exemplifies rust-free California preservation and collector appeal. 11. 1971 Datsun 510 wagon, $12,000, Portland, Oregon, for $12,000. This blue station wagon shows 4,300 miles and a manual transmission. Regularly driven since 1992 but clock rolled over. Rust is minor, mechanical components are sound, and it is road trip ready, though the turn signals are non-operational. Comes with extra parts, that makes it a solid entry for classic Datsun enthusiasts. "12. 1962 Ford Fairlane 500 two-door V8, $13,800, Hemet, California, priced at $13,800. This 1962 Fairlane offers strong presentation with smooth 260 V8, good shifting automatic transmission, and straight sheet metal and chrome. Interior has minor blemishes, including a seam separation and vinyl dash cracks, but it all shifts and drives well with a comfortable ride. A clean title and hem-stored condition tell of respectful stewardship. "13. 1967 Ford Galaxy 500 convertible, $10,900, Fort Mojave, Arizona, at $10,900. This Galaxy 500 convertible packs real power. It features rebuilt 390 heads, Phytec fuel injection, AOD automatic transmission, and disc front brakes. A new convertible top, carpet, and gas tank freshen the interior and mechanical components. The original paint and interior along with freeway cruising capability at 75 miles per hour make this a compelling convertible find. "14. 1962 Mercury Comet, $10,000, Linwood, Washington, with a $10,000 asking price. This Survivor Condition Comet is a genuine time capsule. Purchased new in Snohomish and garage kept, it retains original paint with minor touch UPS, a rebuilt engine, and a fully refreshed interior, carpet, bench seat, leaf springs, and suspension. A reliable driver with documented history and complete operation, it is the embodiment of preserved classic Americana, ready for cross-country touring.